alignment of 7 planets is taking place in the sky this week. A very rare treat is about to grace Earth's night skies. On the evening of 28th of February 2025, all 7 of the other planets in the solar system will appear in the night sky at the same time, with Saturn, Mercury, Neptune, Venus, Uranus, Jupiter, and Mars all lining up in a neat row, a magnificent sky feast for the eyes known as a great planetary alignment. It's not uncommon for a few planets to be in the same side of the Sun at the same time, but it's less common for most or even all the planets to align like this. Any number of planets from 3 to 8 constitutes an alignment. 5 or 6 planets assembling is known as a large alignment, with 5 planets alignment significantly more frequent than 6. 7 planet great alignments are, of course, the rarest of all. These alignments are not the neat planetary cues you see in diagrams and illustrations of the solar system. That's not a thing that actually happens in the real universe, sadly. Yet the planets do appear to arrange themselves along an imaginary line. This occurs because the planets of the solar system all orbit the Sun on a flat plane called the ecliptic. Some of the planets have orbits tilted slightly above or below this plane, but they're all more or less on the same level, like grooves on a record, thanks to the way stars like our Sun form. A baby star in a cloud of material starts spinning. The cloud around them swirls into a flattish disk that feeds into the baby star around its equator. Planets form from what remains of the disk, and if left uninterrupted by other gravitational influences, will remain orbiting in that level position. Occasionally, the planets will be on the same side of the Sun as they move along their orbits, so we get to see them in the sky at the same time. This is what will grace the sky on the evening of February 28. And how to watch this? Whether you'll be able to see the alignments, at what time the planets rise and set, and in which order depends on where in the world you're viewing from. There are tools you can access to get those times and sky locations. Time and Date has an interactive tool that allows you to set the date you want to view, showing the rise and set times for each planet, where in the sky they can be seen, and how difficult they will be to see. Stellarium has a similar web tool that shows how the positions of all the planets will be. Sky Tonight is a free mobile app that uses your phone's hardware to gauge where you're located, showing you real-time positions of celestial objects on the map of the sky above you. There's a good list of other options as well here in the link. You'll need some binoculars or a telescope to see the planets in all their glory, so if you haven't already, start planning now and keep your fingers crossed for clear skies. This is on Science Alert by Michelle Starr. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.